So let me show you how to create a virtual card for free from Bybit. So if you're looking for a dollar virtual card for online transactions, Bybit is going to offer us one for free. So I want to create this live now. So in case you do not know, if you're a Nigerian and you want to make payments online, you would need to have a dollar card. And Bybit offers you dollar card. And the advantage of this is that Bybit is a crypto exchange, which means you have access to dollars that you can use to fund this card. So personally, I've not used this card before. So this video is going to be a live video. So first, you need to come to your Bybit account. So if you do not have a Bybit account, you need to have one that you have registered. I'll put a link in the description so you can register if you do not have. So if you register, you want to verify your account. So this is a fully verified Bybit account and I am logged in right here. So most things here will be about cryptocurrency. So in case you do not know, you have to familiarize with some cryptocurrency stuff. So here, if you come, you want to click on more here. And this is where you are going to find the different things you can do on Bybit. So you can do a lot of things, but we want to scroll down to where we have card. So card is under the finance. So I want to click on card and they are going to give me the benefits of this card. So this is a Bybit card. So it's virtual. You can even request for a physical one, but I'm going to request for a virtual one for now. So I've heard that this card is free, so I'm going to try it right here. So here you can see it says we can pay anytime, anywhere with our crypto or fiat, and you can even get up to 2 to 10% cash back on rewards. So these are just advantages of using virtual cards actually. So it's a free delivery worldwide and all of that. So you can explore even more benefit, but we are not really interested in that. So you come here, you click on activate card. So they are going to ask you to select your country. So I'm going to select Nigeria, and this is the currency. Is going to be the base currency is USD. So you can come here, click here and select your own country. But I am in Nigeria, so I'm going to select Nigeria. Then I click on continue. So here is going to ask for identity verification, which we have already done before when we verified our Bybit account, or when I verified the Bybit account. So you have to verify your own, but this is a country of residence. You can always change it if you are not from Nigeria or in Nigeria. So you use your own location. So I want to click on next and we can proceed. So we are going to give it some time and let's see what it's going to do. So again, it wants me to confirm my information. If this email is correct, I say yes, the email is correct. So I click on submit. So let's see what it does and if we are going to get this card immediately. So it says my card is under review. It says it typically takes a few minutes and sometimes up to 7 working days. All right. So the person that gave me this information said that it took them around 3 days. So we are going to see how long it takes before we get this card. But creating the card is very straightforward. As you can see, I did not pay any money. I did not do anything. So the process looked pretty straightforward. As you can see, it took less than 2 minutes and we just have to wait now. So it appears that the card has been approved, which was very fast. I was expecting it to take some days, but luckily you can see. Let's go to the card dashboard. And as you can see, I basically do have a card, which is great. All right. So this is the card here, and I can top it up using cryptocurrency. So this is quite nice. So I can deposit at least 100 USD worth into asset. Of course, this is to unlock the cash back and all of that. This is a promo that I don't need now. So I can just click let's see the card. So this is basically the card. As you can see, this is my card name. This is the card number. This is the expiry date of the card. And if you click on this, you can see the card, the full card number here. All right. If you want to get the card details, this is basically the virtual card. Let's see how we can top up. So we can basically top up by just funding our crypto account. So we can top up using B2B trading, which is the peer-to-peer trading. You can even top up by just buying Naira, and then you can top up by using cryptocurrency. So in my next video, I would practically top up this card. And if you want to watch that video, then subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can ask me. So far, this is a seamless method, and also I'll try to see if this card actually works when I want to make purchases online. But this is how you can create the Bybit virtual card, dollar card, for free. Again, I hope this video helps you. Please subscribe. If you have questions, you can ask me. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.